Hey, fourth grade. Today we are starting our study of the circulatory system. The objective for the circulatory system in today's lesson, you will understand that the heart is part of the circulatory system. Note that the circulatory system is and may also be called the cardiovascular system. All right, we have an article here that we're going to read, and then we have to look at the definitions and what it means. And then we have to write about the heart, and there is an actual picture of the heart. It's hard to believe that we have something like that living inside our bodies, isn't it? Functioning inside our bodies. All right, the heart. The heart is a hard-working muscle. It's located near the center of your chest. It is about the size of your fist and works all day, every day, pumping blood throughout your body. It is part of the circulatory system and is protected by your ribs. Your blood contains nutrients and oxygen that are needed by all parts of your body. Your heart's job is to pump your blood through your body to deliver oxygen and nutrients where they are needed. Blood vessels are the small, thin tubes that carry and deliver blood. Blood that is full of oxygen and nutrients travel through blood vessels called arteries to all parts of your body. And I like to circle them as I go along, just so they kind of stick out to you and to me. I meant to do this before I started. Oopsie daisy. Blood vessels also carry blood back to the heart. After your cells take the oxygen and nutrients from your blood, the blood goes back to your heart in blood vessels called veins. Your heart then sends that blood to your lungs to get more oxygen. The heart is made up of 4 spaces called chambers. That word is chambers. The 2 chambers on the right side of your heart, this one and this one, receive blood from your body. Receive blood from your body. The heart pumps that blood to your lungs. The 2 chambers on the left side, the 2 chambers on the left side receive blood full of oxygen. So from the body, from the lungs. Your heart pumps that blood to the rest of your body. How does your heart do this? It contracts. Contracts means it squeezes. It contracts or squeezes to push blood through the chambers and out to your body. It works constantly to keep blood moving. So even when we're sleeping, our heart is just working overtime. Pump, 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 pump. There's a song that you just listened to, and it was on one of my favorite shows called The Happy Days. When I was growing up, that was one of my favorite shows. I loved it. It's too bad that we don't have television like that now. It takes less than 1 minute for blood to move throughout your body and to return to your heart. That heart of yours is a hard worker. All right, so now what we've got to look at the definitions. We see heart, all right, and the heart, the definition is a muscle near the center of your chest, size of your fist. It works all day to pump blood through the body. It's part of the circulatory system, and it's protected by your ribs. Here's an image of it that I found from the web. You just copy and paste it. And what it is not, it is not the circulatory system, but part of the circulatory system. You'll define ribs and arteries, veins, chambers, circulatory system, and contracts. All right? And then when you get done with that, you are going to write about your heart. This is my heart, and tell what your heart does. And you can get that information from here. All right? And then the last slide that we see is this is not an actual human heart, but it's a pretty close replica of it.